Hello guys, welcome back. Today we've got a little project for our back garden. We bought ourselves a lovely stencil. As you can see that pattern there, I'll show it to everyone. It looks quite nice and fancy. We haven't done it before, that's going to be for the first time. So we've got some paint brushes, we've got some paint rollers and some trays. I've got a big roller and a small one. That's the exactly size for our plugs in here in the garden. So we're not going to be doing them all, we're going to do just a few and just see the results later on. Just a quick few words about the stencil itself. We bought it off eBay and this stencil wasn't that expensive, it was about £25. Oh, it does look pretty well. Let's just do another one. I'll just give you guys a quick close look to the stencil, how it looks on a paved block. It looks quite okay. This half I'll just show you now. This half from my hand to the right I've used the brush, and from this side to the left I've used the little roller, which I have to say it doesn't make any difference. Both sides looks exactly the same, good quality, although I have to say you have to do it very slowly, don't rush. I just finished another stencil and I have to say probably about 3 to 5 minutes each stencil, but now using not the brush, a roller, a little roller. Right, so let's just reveal the effects of that. Down slowly, there we go. I'm quite pleased and amazed with the effects, brilliant.